Hey guys, what's going on? I'm on the way to the studio right now. The bike is looking good. I got the 750 out right now. I always tend to use the 750 when I'm doing studio or going to the studio because I don't plan on going anywhere else. But I have two shoots today. I'm shooting Bree and I'm shooting Munira. I haven't seen Munira in mad long. She's been traveling in London and she's been everywhere. Milan, she's been everywhere. So it's gonna be good to see her since it's been a minute. This bike takes bumps so well. But yeah, that should be a good shoot. My GoPro's been acting up lately, but I think I got it back. That's why I haven't been able to really yeah, that's why I haven't really been able to do anything. So it should be a good day. The weather's pretty cool. Say like high 60s or something like that. People out this morning. Is beautiful, beautiful. Bikers out. I think this is like the perfect weather, which I call football weather. That back to school weather. Fall's coming. You can see the trees starting to change a little bit. But I don't mind it, like especially with the bike. It's like perfect. So you already know what it is. I've been chilling, man. I had a amazing art show the other day, which was pretty cool. And then I hung out with the Zoozers for an event. I hung out with this, yeah, he plopped down crazy with his kid. But I hung out with the Zoozers. That was pretty cool for Electrify Saturday. This was a dope event. They had a lot of electric bike companies out there. Yeah, I saw Livewire. Well, it wasn't necessarily Livewire. It was just someone, I guess, who bought their bikes was out there with two Livewire bikes. The 750 gets up. Stop playing. This ain't the 1100, but I love what the 750 does. The more I ride it, the more I see that it's definitely a capable bike. I had to burn on them real quick, you know what I'm saying? Every time I get on the 750, that torque is woo. And I do sometimes just imagine that if the 1100 had this torque, it'd be the best, it'd be a perfect bike. So it's 8:31. I have until 9 to get there. 9:30. So I should get there in like, I'm guessing 30 minutes. I don't know. It feels good to like not be using GPS anymore. Like the more I'm riding, the more I'm getting familiar with the city. So that's always a good thing. I have my routes where I feel good. You could just hop on and dip out. I will be doing some Uber Eats, so stay tuned for that. I'm really gonna do them up with the 360 and everything. I know you guys enjoy those videos, so I'm gonna do a couple. So this is where it's always at, where you can see the bikes. Gotta love the Tesla. So what I'm gonna do, I'm thinking about taking this path down. Yeah, I'll probably take this path down and just to cut my way out. Ooh. Yeah, so you guys know this way. This is another way I found that I can get up in there. Beautiful morning. It's always like a stunning sight. Okay, got the joggers on.
What's the name of it?
You see the morning traffic. Just zooming right now. Best way to commute in the morning, best. Yep. Ooh, what's that pink thing? That thing looks cool. I don't know what it is. It's like a pink scooter. Get up close to it. Cool. The 750 handles really well. It's quite impressive. All right, so my turn is coming up soon. All right, just bust that left, had to accelerate on those. That's where the torque makes that difference. All right. So making good time, 8:41 right now. So that's literally like no time. I'm actually gonna get there with some time to spare. Don't do this, I'm going the wrong way on the one way, but definitely don't do this. On your left. just made it.
Floor.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna go set up, and yeah, I'll go set up, and I'll wait for my first model to come in. So stay tuned. It'll just probably be clips. I won't use my GoPro for this. I'll probably use my phone.